Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math channel. Today we are going to learn another problem from the trigonometry. If angle A comma angle S are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos X, then show that angle A is equal to angle X. Actually, why should we discuss this problem means, in state textbook they have given two triangles and the conditions as given like this after that. But in the CBSE textbook they have given only like this. If the two triangles has mentioned, we have to do it in a different way which was given in the textbooks. If the two triangles are not given, then we can go for alternate methods. That alternate method I am going to take now. Angle A, angle X are acute angles. So, these two acute angles I want to take in a single right angle triangle. Let it be a right angle triangle A, B, X. Let us consider a right angle triangle A, B, X, where angle B is equal to right angle triangle 90 degrees. Now from the figure we know that if you take theta is acute angle is here, then it is cos A. If you take acute angle is here, then it is cos X. No need to take theta here. Now from the figure we can say that cos A, cos theta formula, adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is AB by hypotenuse side is AX. In the same way, you take the triangle at angle at X, cos X. If you take this is an acute angle, then it will becomes to the adjacent side, that is BX. And hypotenuse is as usual AX. Given that cos A is equal to cos X. Already we know that cos A value is AB by AX and cos X is equal to BX by AX. AX gets cancelled. AB is equal to BX. Clearly, two sides of a triangle are equal. Automatically, the angles opposite to equal sides also equal. AB opposite angle is angle X. BX opposite angle is angle A. So, actually, we need to prove this one only. Angle A is equal to angle X. I think you understood. Let us consider a right angle triangle ABX where angle B is a 90 degrees. It is a right angle triangle. We know the condition for cos A is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Cos X, you can take the acute angle here, cos X is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Given that cos A is equal to cos X, cos A is nothing but AB by AX and cos X is nothing but BX by AX. AX gets cancelled. Two sides of a triangle are equal. If two sides of a triangle are equal, the side at the angles opposite to equal sides are equal. So AB opposite angle is X, BX opposite angle is A. So angle A equal to angle X. This is the one of the method, and this way can prove the same condition. We can prove that by using the unit circle. By using the unit circle also we can prove very nicely. Let's just look at that. Let us consider the coordinate axis, x axis, y axis, and consider an unit circle like this. Consider the unit circle where the center of a circle will be equal to origin of the coordinate axis. Now take a point M here and take another point N here. Let the distance from O to M is take it as A, and take O to M is distance take it as A. Now take 2 points, that is OM is equal to X, another point take it as on the X axis ON is equal to take it as A. Now take a point here, let it be take this vertical distance, let it be take Y, and it will becomes to a triangle, right angle triangle. Already I said that we have to take it a unit circle. Unit circle is nothing but radius of the circle is equal to 1. From O to P, this is called radius. What is the value? 1. Now consider triangle OMP. Let's consider triangle OMP. And let it be take an angle is capital A. In triangle OMP, cos A is equal to, cos A is nothing but again adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is OM by hypotenuse is OP. That is OM. Already I told that let it be considered as X. OP, O to P, that is the radius. I told it is a unit circle. The radius will be equals to 1. That is equal to X. Therefore, cos A is equal to, we got X. Now consider here another point we have taken, the distance from O to N we have taken as A. Now let it be take another vertical line and join these two. Let it be take an angle, makes it is, let it be take it as X. This is also from ONQ, let it be take ONQ. From here to here also it is called as a radius. Again it will be taken as 1 because unit circle radius is equal to 1. Now consider the triangle ONQ. In triangle ONQ, let it be take an angle, this time take it as angle X is equal to, same formula, cos theta is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent is ON by hypotenuse is OQ. ON, from here to N I have taken already A. OQ, again it is a unit circle, radius is equal to 1, that is A. So we got cos A is equal to X, cos X is equal to A. Given that cos A is equal to cos X already. What is cos A? We got X. What is cos X? We got A. That means very clearly we got X is equal to A. X means from here to here, that is the distance. A means from here to here, that is the distance. Clearly it is different, but we got both the distances are same. That is, he is saying that clearly the distance from O to M is equal to the distance from O to N. We got the distance from O to M is equal to the distance from O to N. When it is possible, it is only possible when M and N are coincide to each other. That is, it is possible when M and N are coincide. What will happen if M and N are coincide? Here we won't get two triangles, we will get only one angle, one triangle. That means clearly that OM, when OM is equal to ON, the angle made by the two triangles also will be equal. That is, angle A is equal to angle X. Angle A is equal to angle X. This is the proof we have to prove. I think you understand. Thank you.